In this video, you'll learn how to contact a seller on eBay. This process will help you communicate directly with sellers regarding your purchases or inquiries about items you are considering. Begin by logging into your eBay account. Once logged in, use the search bar at the top of the page to find the item you purchased or wish to buy. Click on the product listing to open the detailed view of the item. After the product page loads, scroll down until you reach the seller information section. In the seller information section, look for the options labeled Contact Seller or Ask a Question. This feature is designed to facilitate direct communication with the seller. Engaging in clear communication can help resolve any issues you may have. It is important to remain polite in all messages to foster a positive dialogue. After locating the contact option, click on it to open the message form. Within this form, you will need to select the reason for contacting the seller, which may include options like shipping inquiries or questions regarding product details. Write your message clearly, ensuring that you explain your question or concern in detail. If you have already purchased the item, include relevant order details to assist the seller in addressing your inquiry effectively. Once you've composed your message, review it for clarity and professionalism before sending. Clear messages help sellers respond more quickly and accurately. After sending your message, be prepared to wait for the seller's reply. eBay will send you a notification when the seller responds, allowing you to stay updated on your inquiry. To check for responses, navigate to the eBay Message Center where all your communications with sellers are organized. It is crucial to maintain polite communication throughout your conversation. Sellers typically respond within a short time frame, and effective communication can significantly enhance your buying experience. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.